god damn. Dude, I'm talking about? Bro, I just got attacked. Just got attacked, my guy. Bro, you should have seen that shit. Like, what? They worried about little old me, man. Can a young man get money anymore? God damn. Dog, you should have just seen the crazy shit that was just going on. Too bad I wasn't recording because I was streaming. Oh my god. That was mind blowing right there, bro. And notice it happened like my shit just started like going crazy. Disconnecting, reconnecting, like streaming, like my quotes, my level 2, nothing was available. And now look at the chart. All this happened. Bro, that's not right, bro. And now my position is definitely not looking as good as it was. Like, look at this, bro. Look at this. All like damn near all this happened when that bullshit was going on. That's crazy, bro. Like, and again, so that was the last straw. But see that right there, I don't know because it seems like it really didn't have nothing to do with Active Trader Pro there because my OBS and everything was like just going like I don't know what happened, bro. Like, something was trying to happen though, but my VPN kept batting that shit down. But whatever the fuck whatever happened, that shit, you know what I mean? Ultimately made me lose money, bro. Didn't make me lose money, but it made me, you know what I mean? Not be as not be up as much as I should. And this is, bro, that's not a bullish pattern. I don't know what is. Look at that. I believe all this happened when when that sus activity was going on. Again, we're up here at red to green. So and and the trend. So this right here is crucial because we're trying to go back red to green. We're basing on my short term and the 9 at the same time. While right there underneath the trend, trying to break through it. And from looking at the big boys, we're about to break through it. Like, these things are looking bullish, but look, stepping up, obviously a bullish pattern, higher lows, but we're seeing a lot of wicks on top, and then we're seeing decreasing volume. So, I mean, hard to call. Same thing on the SPY. Look, bullishness, and then we're putting in a bullish pattern, higher lows to the upside, but volume is decreasing, and then we're seeing more wicks on top overall. This thing's still like right here at this crucial level. What are we watching? 2 minute? Look, it's still there, bro. Got red volume. Well, all right, so this next candle actually based and opened above the 9 and slightly above my trend line. But now it looks like it's rejecting. I thought I seen some red prints out the corner of my eye. I see a baby little wick on the top, and it's fighting for the short term in this 9 EMA green prints, but it's acting like it wants to break down. Fighting. So this is crucial. Like, what the hell was I talking about when I just got attacked? Obviously, that someone didn't want that information to get out. Oh, as soon as I look away and start looking at the other charts, look what happened, bro. God. All right. I guess if we're being honest, that's the real trend. Dog, I let a decent green trade go against me, bro. But I was about to close it out, and then I got attacked. I hope y'all seen that. That shit was crazy. Excuse my French. That was crazy. Look at that wick rejecting off that trend though. Perfect rejection off the trend, actually pushing us below red to green. I want to see them keep the downward pressure on this candle here and have the next one open below red to green. All those red prints, increase in volume, 575,000 shares, 600,000 shares. Over 600,000 shares. I'm seeing a bunch of red prints, but green. See, look, people are trying to buy the dip at this red to green line. Trying to buy the dip there. But let's see if there's any levels directly above it. And you could say right here, Got wicks there. I mean, wick right there, wick there, wick there. But then right here, it's nothing there. All right, dog. From here on out, anytime, anytime price action gets down to my price target, no matter if it's looking like we're gonna see continuation or not, I'm getting out. Look, we broke above that trend, and now we're trying to bounce off of it. And it's gonna be hard to see some continuation to the downside because we've got this trend that's trying to bounce off of. Directly below that, we have red to green, previous close, significant level. And on that level, we also have the 9 EMA. And then right up underneath that, we have the short term. And then a little below that, we have a level of chop here, right here at the bottom of this wick. This is a significant level here. And then right below that, we have VWAP in the 120. So, I mean, buyers definitely have the advantage right now. And bro, look at this Apple chart. Look at this thing. What the heck? Look, that thing went straight up. This is a 5-minute chart. Still going up. That thing's ripping. Oh, Lord. Whoever bought this dip right here was looking pretty good. What level is this? 147. We're just going to say 148. Whoever grabs some Apple at that nice round number of 148 is printing right now. Oh my God. Bruh. Look at this. Dude. Look at this thing. Look at this chart. But bro, off a low volume though. Well, I guess not. This is a 10-minute chart. So 500,000. Yeah, I mean, that's low volume relative to the chart. This would be high volume. 4 million, 4 million, 2.3 million, 2.5 million, 2 million. But this is decreasing volume. So how we can rip that hard of basically decreasing volume is beyond me. It makes me think that that's a fake out. I'm gonna go to the 10-minute. I'm gonna go to a higher time frame on the overall market, like the big boys I'm watching. Look, we had some red, some selling coming in, some volume come in here. Look, 750,000, 735,000 red volume bar, and then this look low volume, 50,000 shares. So we're right at the trend, but now right above previous close. Damn. I mean, I should have got out at my price target, and I was still about to get out until I got attacked. Attacked decent, bro. All right, let's change the vibe here. Gotta get my studio stuff set back up. Gotta reinstall and ball. I ignore your call, cause I'm getting money. If you're not, then you're a dummy. I only flirt with my honey. Guess what? She's the money. Don't fall in love with him. Not any stocks or derivative bias. You think you're high on the totem pole, but guess what? I'm the highest. Also, I'm the flyest. And please do not try us, or you will be sorry. Next year, you're gonna see me come up in a Ferrari with something that's looking like a Barbie. You can see me, yeah, hardly. I mean, this market's looking bullish. I should have got out. But then they came with the attack because they're whack. Let's see what's happening, because on this 5 minute, yeah, we've been like you know what I mean, basing here. The volume's been red. We haven't really fully broken above this trend. Looking like we're about to though. Can you see that wick bouncing off the 9? Now every time a new candle comes in, I expect to see volume. Hopefully it's to the downside. And you're on the clown side. When I'm getting money, you frown. Why? Cause you're a hater. Guess what, dog? I'll see you later. Something like a player. Gotta finish these beats. Yes. Oh Lord. Hold on. I'm in a position. Give me 1 second, guys. All right. I mean, because I gave you a little live streaming. Like, obviously, thesis was correct. The only mistake that I made is I didn't get out here at the bottom of the range. But again, position is still green. And I was gonna get out a little earlier, but you guys witnessed it. I got attacked. Like I don't know if someone's trying to hack me or was a DOS attack or something like that, whatever it's called. But at this point, we've been basing down here at previous close for a long time now, and you know what I say. The longer we base down at a level, the worse my risk to reward gets. So I feel like it's just better for me to go ahead and get out. And then I'm seeing a lot of green prints here. And then if you look at this Apple chart, look, it's just been consistently creating higher lows, like straight up. You see this? But also remember what I said. Whenever the position is going in your direction, you do not want to see it go straight in your direction. You want to see healthy pullbacks, but this is the 10-minute chart. So let's look at the 5-minute really quick. And then if you look at this 5-minute chart, yeah, it's going straight up. And remember, what if it goes straight up, it can come straight down. You do see some healthy pullbacks, but look at all this wicking. Look, wick on the top. Yeah, bullish, but doja candle putting in higher lows. So right here is crucial. We're either going to create another high of day or now start heading back down. But again, like we've been basing down here for a while, and this wasn't really a full trading stream because I got in late. So, you know, even though I was up 10% on the contracts, you know, I didn't get out. I gave money back. But at this point, even though I did give money back, I'm still green on the day. So I'm just going to go ahead and close it out. And then I'll upload the rest of that content from last week. Because look, this thing's bouncing. See red prints though. See those red prints on the tape? And look, I see the Q, the SPYs, and Apple topping out. So let me give it like just a few more moments to see if we break down this previous close. Get rid of this trend line. See, it's bouncing off the 9. Now, like I went from being up 10% to break even. I'm just hoping that, I mean, obviously this is a bullish pattern, but I want to see if it could possibly be a bear trap and we crack this level just so I can get some of my gains back. Just look, you see this wick on the top right here? Letting me know there's sellers up here. Then I'm seeing red and white prints on the tape here. And look, the volume was decreasing, but I've seen this volume like jump up real quick, like it's about to start increasing. All right. So look, they're trying to bounce it off previous close here. This is a level. It's a key level. But and it's on the 9 EMA in the short term. That's why it's trying to bounce. I want to see it crack. Let's go. Actually, let's go to the 2-minute chart. So we can get a more detailed view of what's going on. All right, we want to correct this level right here. They're buying it up. Look at the wick on the bottom. They're bouncing it off this nice even number, this 130. But it's fighting. It's beneath the 9 EMA. If we could stay beneath the 9, it's going on. It's bouncing. If we could stay beneath the 9, and the next candle open below the 9 EMA, I'll feel better. But as of now, no. God damn it. I should have just followed my plan. See? That's like I said, that's something I need to work on. Plans, my thesis and my plans are right. But because they've been right so much, I've been giving them more time to be more right. And that's what's ultimately basically been not allowing me to realize as much gains as I should. But again, you can never be mad at yourself for taking profits and or you know what I mean, being green on the day. We're not gonna cry over spilled milk. Look, I'm seeing red prints. This thing wants to break down. But bruh, look at this Apple chart. Oh my god, bruh. Look at this. Whoever bought whoever bought the dip on Apple at that level that I was showing y'all, like right here, where we base that, these 3 wicks. The 140, what is it? 147. We'll just call it 148. Print it for freaking, you know what I mean, like an hour straight. But at this point, it's extended. It's extended, bro. It's extended. So I would expect to see some downside coming. Cause it's not. I don't think it can just run straight up all day like that, or even for an hour straight. Oh, this thing's fighting with this 130 level, bro. Come on, red prints. I'm almost done. Let me because just trying to see if I can get just some of my gains back. I was up decent. I was up 10% on my contracts. But it got out then. And I know, bro, like if I go ahead and close out the position here, when I go back later and look at it, it's gonna be done cracked. I know it. So right here is crucial area. Seeing green prints, but also red prints. And the market's definitely looking bullish right now. Apple's I think it just put in a new high of day. I don't know, it might be a bear trap because it keeps looking like it's gonna reject and then it keeps putting in higher lows. Now my position's going against me, bro. I went from being 10% up on my contracts to now being down, just basically break even. I know this thing's like it can't go straight up. Not gonna go straight up, bro. Look at all those red prints. We want to break down this level bad. We're playing with it. Look, red prints. And bro, like you should have seen that shit like earlier. Like I was way still in the green on my position, and I was about to close it, and my my whole platform and everything just like, crashed. That's why I'm about to get off of Active Trader Pro. They're playing games, bro. They did it to me the other day too. I got it recorded. Just haven't edited the video yet. And I still ultimately got out and made decent gains, but I could have basically made twice as much. But they literally froze the whole program and it crashed and I couldn't get out my position. Fucking excuse my French. Some straight bull crap. Alright, so I see bullishness coming in the market. I'm gonna go ahead and call it one. God damn it. Look at this. Now we're about to cross over the 120. I mean, let's see if we reject off this 120. Look at that wick. Look, increasing volume. Again, should have followed my plan and got out here at the bottom. Could have made a quick freaking, you know what I mean? $200 in like, you know what I mean, 30 minutes. But, you know, because I woke up late, like I wasn't planning to trade that much anyways. But I did tell you guys that I was going to stream. So I did stream. You know, just trying to be a man of my word here. My personal. All right, so look, we got up to this 120, and when we reject it, like I said, and I see the SPY, the Qs, and Apple topping out. Look, now it could be a healthy pullback, or it could be the rejection that I'm hoping for. I mean, it was looking like a rejected harder, but now it's gaining ground and just looking bullish. Apple, same thing. And now Meta's freaking like trying to freaking take off. That's my cue. Letting this shit go against me, bro. God damn it. See these red prints though? What what you don't want to see is the tape moving fast, and then when the red prints hit, it slows down or stops. You want to see the tape pick up speed with the red prints. And I'm just giving it a chance to see if this time in cells, this tape can pick up some momentum, some speed with some red prints to the downside, and we could possibly wash back out to at least previous close or even crack it. But at this point, it's looking like it cannot. I don't know. I see wicking. I see a bullish pattern on the big boys, but there's wicking up at the top. Again, good plan, like valid thesis, good plan. Uh, it was correct. I basically was just a little too greedy and didn't get out at my original price target. And I mean, even though the position is now against me and I'm red, like it's a small red. So like I don't really count that as red. That's not a red day to me. That's break even. No. Looking at it from the perspective that I was up decent and I let it come back and go against me, if you look at it from that perspective, then it's a red day because I was up. Was up over 10% on my contracts. Now I'm down 2%. Fuck, they're playing with it, bro. Look at all these red prints. And then I see some wick and it's trying to reject off the 120. Remember what I said? I used the 120 like as a long-term directional. So the fact that it is trying to reject off the 120 gives me hope. But with all of those green prints I just seen, all right, see now we're seeing some red prints and some wicking off the 120. We just need to see follow through. To keep playing with it. Look, the red then the green. Now on a new candle, this is make or break. We're either gonna see we're gonna either see a bounce or a rejection here. See those red prints? Again, they're moving too slow. Now we're seeing green prints. Like, dog, I know. Once I close this thing out and I come back and look at the charts later, this shit gonna be done washed all the way out to the bottom of the range. And I'm gonna be mad. I'm not gonna be mad, I'm gonna be pissed though. I should have just when you texted me earlier, Luca, I should have just because I was up decent at that point, I should have just cashed out and started getting ready. Now instead of I'm just trying to give it a little more time, bro. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do this. The bottom of the range, top of the range. It faked us out. It came down to the middle of the range and then tried to reverse trend. Now it's going up. I mean, Things stepping up. I'm gonna give it some more time. All right, what are we gonna do? What are we doing? Oh, fans are going. No, like I was expecting to be out of this picture. Now I know that things gonna eventually wash out. Gonna hot outside. You gonna talk? Huh? The green for a next game. Active to the goal or whatever. That shit. That shit glitches out and I'm about to switch back to bad straight. Nervous about bad straight because I was using first starter. Didn't know what I was doing. That's right. I don't want that to bring back all the negative, you know, heartbreak. He going against me, bro. All right, like that's it. Okay, I gotta close it. I think I should go ahead and close it, guys. What do you think? I went from being up 10% to now being down 3.5%. Did you see all those red prints? I think I'm getting bear trapped. I'm getting bear trapped. Look at this trend, dog. And I literally broke like all my rules today. For one, my one of my rules is if I don't get up on time and miss uh market open and don't have a good feel for the price action going into market open, for one, I don't even trade. Right? That's the first trade. That's the first rule I broke. The second rule I broke was, um, when my thesis and my plan was correct. Once it was correct and I hit my price target, I didn't get out. So that was another mistake I made and basically a rule I broke. Now, the third rule that I'm breaking is I clearly see that the market has reversed and now the position is going against me. And I'm still not closing out the trade because I feel like it's eventually gonna, go back down there and get to my price target because it got there once already. But by me having that mindset, it's just going further and further against me. So that's another rule I broke. And again, like I was saying, you have to have some rules that you go by when you're trading. No, I did break some rules, but those I feel like are minor rules. Like the major rules would be like a max loss, max amount of trades, max amount of loss on one trade. Like that's the second level of rules. But I mean, rules are rules. And when you're trading, you need to follow your rules. Those are the mistakes I made and the rules I broke. And what you can do is take this into consideration and know what not to do. Right? I mean, even though obviously I gave back money and I'm still in the process of doing so. I feel like I'm still providing value because I'm showing, like I'm explaining to you the reasoning behind my actions and the psychology behind it, and also showing you the mistakes not to make. That's just as valuable, if not more, than just seeing me sitting here, you guys just watching me make a bunch of gains. You know what I mean? The value is still there. So again, if you haven't liked our subject, go ahead and do that now. Like I said, I did create a new tier on my Patreon, just in case. Like if you don't want to sign up for the trading course, or you don't want to get the watch list or anything, but you still find value, you can go ahead and just show your appreciation that way, like a $1 a month. You know what I mean? Here, there. Now, I'm also going to be putting exclusive content specific to Patreon on there as well. That won't be on YouTube. But there will be value there as well. Now, Meta looks like it's having trouble with this 131.25 level. This is my last ditch effort here. See that rejection? Seeing all those red prints? And they were going fast. And then when you see the green prints, it's slowing down. So what we want to do is see red prints fast, but more than that. This is the last ditch. This is the last ditch level right here. If we break above this level, I'm getting out. Oh Lord, that's not the full thing. Alright, you see we came up to this level and we rejected a little bit. But it could be a healthy pullback. Again, this is the 5-minute chart. Let's go to the 2-minute. This thing just straight up, bro. Again, because I was up on the contracts, even though this position's going against me, like I'm nowhere near my max loss on a trade. So that's another reason why I'm giving this more time. But look at this increasing volume. Look, 90,000, 120,000, 150,000, 160,000, 170,000, 180,000. Now we're seeing a red volume bar. Look at that drop. Seen all those red prints? See that? So now, look at, you seen that crack? That's what we want to see. Increasing volume to the downside. Now we just need to crack this 9. Because that wasn't a healthy pullback. Okay? That shit was sick right there. That wasn't healthy. That was terminal. I'm gonna crack the 120. Volume increasing. Bunch of red prints. Crack the 120. Look, 250,000 shares. 250,000 shares on this. All right. Now the next candle opens below the 120. They're trying to buy it back up. But look, the 9 EMAs right here. Look at this wick. They're trying to buy it up. They're trying to buy it up. I don't believe in that. That shit was looking too thick right there for that to be a healthy pullback. Look at all those red prints. But they're slowing down. In those red prints. And then look, you got the SPY, the Qs, and Apple showing some top in action at the top of this range up here at the SPYs 380 and the Qs are 279. We're seeing top in action. And then the Apple right at 150, key level. Look at this long wick right here. That lets me know there's more sellers up there. There's more sellers than buyers. The wick's longer on the top. So we want to see some more continuation to the downside. Let's see more continuation to the downside. All right. Hold on. It looks like you know, my thesis is still having a chance to work here. Again, I was about to close it out. Look at that wick. Rejecting off the 9. And my short term, we did put in a higher low, but it's putting in a higher low you know, right between the 120 and the 9 EMA, and it's wicking up off the 9 EMA. So this is crucial here. But what I'm still seeing on the big boys is some topping action. So again, even though the price action was heading in my direction, I don't want to see it go straight down or straight up. I want to see healthy pullbacks to let me know it's not just emotional. But I mean, if it bounces up any more than this isn't a healthy pullback. But again, this is the 2-minute chart though. you would expect to see um a little more erratic price action on a lower time frame. If it's bouncing, bro, like off the 120 and then through the 9. So I mean, like, dog, that just don't make sense though. Like, you seen that crack right there? That thing cracked through all the levels. So that makes me not believe in this. Makes me think this is Fugazi right here. See those red prints? See, with that action, and then immediately with the bounce, makes me think that like the bull trap's coming. Because at this point, I'm already bear trapped. I'm bear trapped. So, and could they be trying to bear trap more, or is it now a bull trap? Because again, in a logical market, like, and I know like the logic doesn't exist in this market, but if we're thinking logically, we're in a recession. Things are overvalued. The overall market is downtrending. So I would expect us to head lower overall. But again, intraday things will change. That's why you see me catch. That's why you see me flip long. So I'm not married to one bias or the other. Basically, the only reason that I'm still in this trade right now is because I'm holding out hope that we're gonna at least crack back down here and test or get close to my original price target, where I could have got out. And I know, like, I don't, I, I don't operate off of hopium. This isn't hopium. This is just believing in my thesis, giving it time to work. Only problem with that is it already worked and I didn't cash out. All right, but yeah, bullish pattern. You're seeing a overall bullish pattern, and but what you're also seeing is on all these bullish candles, there's a lot of wicks on the top, which makes me think, um, and basically lets me know that people are selling into these moves. So I feel that since they're selling into these moves, it's only a matter of time before buyer exhaustion comes into the picture, and then all the sellers will cause some downward price action. Right? Because look, wick, 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 baby wick, 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 baby wick, rejection, long wick of selling, bounce, baby wick, and then immediately after, wick, rejection. Now this candle, wick, and we're trying to head lower. Volume is increasing. So again, buyer exhaustion. I see topping action on the big boys. Getting hot in here. All right. So I see top in action on the big boys. I see some red prints. Now, what's crucial is this short term and the 9 EMA. The 9 EMA could keep us up. We're going to have trouble breaking down that 9. If we break down the 9, and then I seen top in action on the big boys, and it put in a lower low for a second. But the only thing I'm concerned about is it could be a healthy pullback for the continuation to the upside. So what I really need to see is this price action break down the short term, crack the 9, and start heading towards the 120. All right, we're trying to give you the short term. Look at the volume, red. Top in action on the big boys, but it could be a healthy pullback. But look, all right, now we got Meta trying to crack the 9. If we crack this 9, look at all those red prints. All right, we cracked the 9. Now we just need to crack this 120. They're buying it up. Look at all those red prints. They're trying to bounce it. Look at all those red prints. They're trying to bounce it. Look at all those red prints. My personal information isn't showing. Look, we cracked the 120. They're buying it up. They're buying it on this level here, 130.50s, I believe it is. They're bouncing it off that level. Look right here, 130.68. That's a crucial level because look, we came up here and rejected off of it 3 times, and then we came down here, bounced off of it, and now we're cracking it. See? All right. So look, we cracked it. They bought it back up to that level. So now what we need to see is us crack that level like we're doing right now. We need to see increasing volume. All right, 126,000. All right, volume's increasing. All right, red prints. Now we just need to see some speed pick up on the tape. With some continuation to the downside and the new candle open below this level. Right here. Increasing volume. All right, new candle open below that level. Healthy pullback's fine. See a baby wick. All right, see it's trying to bounce. Again, healthy pullback's fine, but I want to see continuation. Look at all those red prints. Look at all that. I'd expect us to be tanking. See that? Let's look at the level 2. All right, we're in the 60s. Sorry, 61, 63. They're trying to bounce it. A big block of buyers at 63, 64. Bounce it up to 69 for a second. 69, 71. They're bouncing it. 70s. All right, now down to 69. Bunch of red prints. 65. Big block of 66s, 67, 69s, 68s, 69s. All right, bunch of red prints. I expect us to. Now, you've seen all those red prints. But we bounced up to the 70s. That doesn't make sense to me. That lets me know we could be seeing some downside continuation. See those red prints? Now 69, 67, 68, 67s. Block of 67s here on the bid. Big block. 69, 67s, red prints. I expect to see 65s and 64s. Look, 62s. Look, 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 look. They're trying to bounce it. Look at the wick. Red prints. I'm almost done. I'm seeing my thesis come back into play here. All right, so bunch of red prints, right? 70s, big block of 70s on the bids. Now, we did bounce back up over that level, but notice where we bounced to, the 120 and rejected. Again, that's why I use the 120. Look at all these green prints. They're trying to get it back up there. Look at this wick. Look, this is crucial. Crucial. Look at all those red prints. I expect us to crack this level right here off of all those red prints. All right? They're buying it up. Too much opium in the markets. God damn it. I should have just got out when I was up. But again, like, I'm not making excuses, but because of these market conditions, right? I'm not trading at full size because it's too volatile. But if I was at full size, I would have gotten out down here because I would have been up a few grand. I mean, the market's just too volatile right now. And therefore, the thing to do, smart and responsible thing to do, if you're going to continue to trade in these market conditions, is size down, right? And be in capital preservation mode. So I think because of that, because I'm not at full size, it's actually throwing off my trading. Because when the position is going in my direction, like, even though my plan worked out, because I'm not at full size, I'm feeling like it's not enough gains. But if I would have been at full size, there would have definitely been enough gains. And I think that's messing up my trading. It's messing up my decision making on my price targets. Not an excuse, just the observation. But we're cracking this level. And now I see the big boys, the SPY, the Qs, and Apple are putting in a bearish pattern, and the present candle has opened beneath the previous candle, which signifies to me a bearish pattern and possible continuation to the downside. But the real test would be if the SPY and the Qs continue to stall off a little bit and get down to the 9 EMA and crack that. Position still not in the green yet. It's not back in the green yet. But I was down 3.5%. I'm only down to 1.8%. Again, I was up 10%. Look, they're trying to bounce it. What level is this? Oh, 130.50. Nice round number there. That's why you're seeing some bouncing coming in right here. And if you, yeah, right here. I'll say right here. Because look, we came up here and rejected. Then we consolidated on this level for about 5 or 10 minutes. So we need to give back this level. And now on the big boys, again, the SPY, the Qs, and Apple, we have seen 3 consecutive candles put in lower lows and lower highs, and each candle has opened below the previous candle, which obviously is a bearish pattern. But what's crucial now is the SPY has come down to the 9 EMA like I was talking about. And it looks like it's trying to catch a bid. It's trying to bounce off of it. So again, the true test would be the SPY cracking the 9 EMA. Just giving us this level back. And again, guys, like I said, if you're one of those people that caught Meta like when it was really cheap and rode it up in that bear market, and you still have gains, like, bro, lock in gains, bro, because I'm telling you, I once this thing's all said and done and the bottoms are finally in, I expect Meta to be way under $100. Not financial advice. No, it's hard. It's hard to do, bro. It's hard to hear, bro. You can't operate off of hopium, bro. Hoping and praying is not a valid thesis in the stock market. Again, nothing wrong with hoping and praying. Not an atheist. I'm just talking specifically when it comes to the stock market. Look, I mean, Meta's obviously in a downtrend. That's what we wanted to see. Again, I was getting ready to close my position out and just eat the loss. But look, I went from being up 10% on the contracts to being down like 4%, and now I'm only down 1.2%, 1.25% on them. So pretty soon here, I expect those to go back in the green. Look, we're trying to bounce. What level is that? See that wick on top though? See that wick? Again, some people think wicks are tricks. I'm not one of them. The wicks have a lot of valuable information in them. Look at that wick. See, that's a doja candle. But being that we're putting in lower lows and lower highs in a bearish pattern, even though it's a doja candle in indecision, it's bearish. Okay, so on the big boys, again, stepping down systematically with lower lows and lower highs. Each candle is opening below the previous candle. And this is on a 10-minute chart. So we're talking about for a half an hour straight now, we've been systematically stepping down in a bearish pattern on the SPY, the Qs, and Apple. The SPY has now cracked the 9 EMA, but it's trying to catch a bid off of it, trying to catch a bounce. Same thing with Apple. It's cracked the 9 EMA, trying to catch a bounce off of it. And the Qs have not cracked the 9, but the wick is touching the 9 and is trying to catch a bounce. But look at this increasing volume, red volume. All right. Even if we bounce a little bit right here, that can be considered a healthy pullback. But we ultimately want to see the trend continue. Again, I'm just trying to bring you guys some real value. Anyone could jump on YouTube and upload videos telling you what happened in the markets. But if you're taking this serious, you already know what happened. You don't need anyone to tell you that. You need someone to actually show you the price action and show you the theory and psychology behind it with some live trading. Right? That's more valuable. Because guess what? Everyone looks like a genius in a bullish market, bro. But where are all those people that were on YouTube looking like geniuses when we were in that bull market? Where are they at? See them? Exactly. Where they at, bro? I don't know why Trey quit. Just because he didn't have to quit. I made money watching Trey's trades. But he quit, bro. I remember him on every one of his videos saying, "I'm not a financial advisor." I don't know why he quit. Just because people lost money, that's on them. He didn't have to quit. On every one of his videos, bro, he said, "I am not a financial advisor." Therefore, can't be mad at him if you lost money. He shouldn't be quitting because people lost money and they're mad at him. Hopefully Trey sees this and he gets back on. Because I made bank off that move. Again, but unlike everyone else, like I wasn't in it to teach Wall Street a lesson. Because it's a battle that you're not going to win. Therefore, you just need to be in it to make your money and get out, like I did. Feel bad for you guys, bro. Still holding AMC and shit, bro. Oh my god, I got out at the top, dog. 68. That was the squeeze, man. 68 was the squeeze, bro. And even if it wasn't, you think the hedgies and all that gonna let y'all get away with that, bro? Hell no. I mean, GME was the real squeeze. AMC was just the sympathy play off of GME. But still, there was some valid thesis in it. But again, like, bro, on speculative short squeeze plays, you should not be putting all of your money into plays like that. You should be putting, like, 5 or 10% at the most into a speculative play like that. So for anyone that, leveraged up to the tits and put all their damn money in that, that's on you, bro. Don't be mad at Trey. Everyone's grown here, bro. Can't blame the next man for your mistakes. A real man doesn't put his problems on another man. Now my contracts are back in the green, my guy. I'm back in the green, dog. So I think I should go ahead and cash out. But look at this wick. Look at this wick. Look at them red prints. That shit looking like we're at least finna go down there and crack VWAP. Alright. The SPY, the Qs, and Apple have now put in a series of bearish candles on the 10-minute chart. 4 in a row. With each one opening below the previous one. Okay? And then on the SPY and the Qs and Apple, on this present bearish candle that opened below the previous one, there's a wick on the top reaching up and rejecting off the 9 EMA, which lets me know there's more continuation to the downside. Bro, I made this beat for y'all. Gotta grind or die, dog. Increasing volume. Selling volume. My price target's VWAP. And I'm sticking to it this time. Haven't got there yet. Trying to catch a bounce. Trying to catch a bounce. You trying to catch an ounce. Not me, dog. Not E-dog. If you clocking in and not working for yourself, homie, you're not free, dog. Ooh, bars. Red print. I come in and put head dent in your cranium. Dog, I'm toxic like uranium. Your cranium is cracked like VWAP. He got laid down All right, see, my price target was VWAP. I think I'm there, bro. I'm about to get out. But increasing volume though. Look. Damn, that thing turned green. Wait. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. They trying to trick you and make you fold up. Look at the big boys. Systematically stepping down, increasing selling volume, rejecting off the 9. Alright. 10 minutes. What happened? Yeah, whatever you want. I need to go grocery shopping. Alright, see, this is my price target. But like, it's not. Alright, it's on my price target. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Should I get out? Oh, you use the water. Alright, never mind. I was gonna say use the water in the kitchen because I don't have the microwave in here no more. There's a microwave in the kitchen. All right, I'm gonna go out there. I'll do it for you. No, it's fine. Just do, bro. Because look, my position's like, no, because I feel like you're rushing me. All right. See, you see this, man? This thing's bouncing off of VWAP. Remember, like I said, VWAP could be used as a intraday support and or resistance and a gauge of whether the price action is bullish or bearish. And right now we're trying to bounce off of VWAP, right? It's empty, bro. All right, don't worry. We're about to leave. I'll just get you something to eat. All right. I'm told I don't have no. I gotta go grocery shopping, bro. Like, telling you, I've been around here starving, bro, because I've been working around the clock. What? Look at this. All right, so you see this? You see this bullish volume? Now, that can be considered a healthy pullback. But look, we're bouncing off VWAP again, bro. And that's my cue, dog. I'm getting out. Because look at the spies. Look at the spy I'm at. Increasing volume red, but now this volume is increasing and it looks overall red, but it's trying to bounce. So at any second, this could turn green. You know what I'm saying? Any second, it can turn green. Take a closer look. Look at that. Look, 5 million shares traded. But this is the 10-minute. But that's still a lot. Look at this. Look at this volume bar compared to all the other ones. It's more than half. But at any second, but it's trying to bounce. So I feel like at any second, this could turn green. But the only thing, look, that 9 EMA is up there. Look, trying to bounce. Look, trying to bounce. Look, they're squeezing it up. Look, 5 million shares. 5 million shares traded on this candle right here. Look, told you, any second it can turn green. Look, I'm getting out. I hit my price target, bro. God damn it. Bro, like, I gotta work on that. I said my price target was VWAP. We got the VWAP and I still didn't get out. Look at this. Look, We went from 400,000, 380,000 to 2 million. I was too busy watching The Spy. Look at this. Look, this thing's a straight. Look, there's no volume here yet, really. And it's just a long wick. So that lets me know we could have continuation to the downside. They like buyers came in and bought this thing up. Look, my whole platform is frozen right now. Look, my time in sales ain't moving. And this is what the fuck I mean about Active Trader Pro, bruh. I'm starting to think that they're scamming. They're scamming, bro. Don't worry. Because a lot of people are going to see this. You guys are going to have a bad name. No one's going to use your platform. Look at this. There's no way that there's no action on the time in sales. It's frozen, dog. Look. All of a sudden, look, it just gapped down here. Bro, that's not the way it's supposed to work. Now, look, you seen that? What the hell? They froze my whole platform, like by tape and everything. The level 2. Look, it's still frozen. Look, it's frozen. Bro, it's got to be. It's manipulation, man. I wouldn't expect that from a supposedly reputable company like Fidelity, though. That's what I'm saying. Look at this. The time in sales is just frozen. Everything's frozen. Everything's frozen. So for all I know, whenever they decide to let it start working. Oh, is it 4 o'clock? Oh shit! I didn't know it was end of day, bro. Still not supposed to freeze like that. I don't care. God damn it! I didn't know. I didn't know it was end of day. I'm getting out. Let me out of this thing. Oh Lord. Let me out. Let me out. Man. All right. Well, anyways, guys, hope you found some value in that. And it was some, you feel me? Some live trading there with some price action. Um, Again, if you found any value, learned anything, um, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell, and get the hell over to my Patreon and Discord to sign up for that daily morning watch list and briefing, which gives you that edge. Brethren, peace.